KY3 First Alert Weather is sponsored by Renegade Harley-Davidson. And now, KY3 First Alert Weather.
This is a radar loop over the last 12 hours, and as you can see, we saw a gradual clearing and all of that cloud cover. We had a little bit of rain moving through this morning. Well, we're done with the rain, at least for a couple days before more showers move in, just in time for the weekend. But this high pressure, that is what's to thank for the fact that we're going to be seeing more sunshine today and tomorrow. It's also bringing us some cooler temperatures, so it's bringing some winds from the northeast, and that's giving us some below average conditions for today and then also through Thursday. So temperatures this afternoon, we're going to warm just to the lower 60s for areas along I-44. And you'll notice as you go south, temperatures there come up a little bit. You are now in the upper 60s. Well, you saw more of that clearing earlier on in the day, so you have better opportunities to warm back up. And then tonight, as you head out the door at 7 p.m., you might want to grab a jacket. Temperatures in the mid and upper 50s rather. And then tonight, you might want to cover some of those more sensitive plants, especially if you live out to the north and east, for example, because I am expecting temperatures to dip below 40 degrees. So some isolated patchy frost is possible. It's not going to be widespread frosty conditions, but if you have, again, any of those delicate plants, they will likely need to be covered. Temperatures on Thursday are still, again, trending below average, still under the influence of that high pressure, so mid to even upper 60s is what you can expect. I am tracking several opportunities for rain this weekend. We've got the warmer temperatures in place, but we'll also have winds coming from the south. That's bringing more moisture, and we'll also have a frontal boundary setting up across our area. That's going to give us prolonged periods of rainfall. So Saturday morning, this is at 8 a.m., rain out to the west. It does let up a bit by the afternoon, so I still think you'll have some opportunities to get outdoors before more rain moves in. Once again, early on Sunday, at times heavy, primarily for areas out in those western counties. That's where the greatest risk for seeing some of those higher accumulations currently exists. Some rain on Monday. I still have forecasted. Again, active pattern is in place for us next week, where multiple days in a row we'll have opportunities for this rainfall. That continues through Monday evening, Tuesday during the afternoon. Also looking at some isolated showers across the board, continuing through early Wednesday. So again, just rain after shower is going to be in the forecast for this week. So some places, especially out to the west, you could see as much as 3 inches of rain, but those amounts do decrease as you go eastward. So several opportunities for rain. That does run the risk of some flooding of those low-lying areas and those low water crossings. So just be cautious over this upcoming week about that. 63 degrees for the high temp today, 64 in Arkansas. We've got that northeast cool breeze. And then tonight, patchy frost is possible as those temperatures dip below 40 degrees. 40 is what you can find in Arkansas, so you're not at risk for that frost. And it's primarily going to be those lower lying areas that could see some of this frost. So again, not widespread issue. Then this weekend, you'll notice we do have a nice warm up in store for us. We're closer to its average for this time of year, temperatures in the 70s, but we also have those periodic chances for rain and some thunderstorms this weekend.